Namaskar to everybody and welcome to you my YouTube channel Learn English with Avasthi Ma'am. I am Dr. Shraddha Misar Avasthi. In this video we are going to discuss how to convert active voice into passive voice. Friends, in the last video we learnt the introduction of the active voice and passive voice. We have seen that there are two types of voice. The first one is active voice, the second one is passive voice. We have seen that the structure of active voice is subject plus verb plus object. And the example is I write a letter. I, this is subject, write, this is verb, and a letter, that is object. Now let us see the structure of passive voice. In the passive voice, we begin with object of active voice, which is followed by helping verb. Helping verb is followed by past participle. Then we write down by and subject of the active voice. For example, a letter, that is the object of active voice, and we have begun passive voice with a letter is, that is helping verb, written, past participle by me. Now we must have the pre-knowledge of the following things. First one, we should know how to identify the object. ऍक्टिव्ह व्हॉइस मधला ऑब्जेक्ट आपल्याला ओळखता आला पाहिजे. नंबर 2, वी मस्ट नो टू आयडेंटिफाय द टेन्स. ऍक्टिव्ह व्हॉइसचा टेन्स आपल्याला कळला पाहिजे, कमीत कमी वेदर इट इज पास्ट टेन्स और प्रेझेंट टेन्स इतकं तरी आपल्याला कळलं पाहिजे. नंबर 3, वी शुड नो हाऊ द सब्जेक्ट गेट्स चेंज व्हेन इट इज प्रोनाउन. नाउ वन बाय वन we will see how to identify object, how to identify tense, and how the subject gets changed in passive voice. So first of all, you ask the question to the verb by, what or whom, and the answer you get, that is an object. तुम्ही दिलेल्या ऍक्टिव्ह व्हॉइस मधील व्हर्बला व्हॉट किंवा होमने प्रश्न विचारा, येणारं उत्तर हे ऑब्जेक्ट असेल. Let us see the examples. Before seeing the examples, we should know that the answer to what, that is direct object. What ला जे उत्तर मिळतं ते direct object असतं, and the answer to whom is indirect object. आणि whom ह्या प्रश्नाला जे उत्तर येतं ते indirect object असतं. Now let us see the examples. The teacher brought many books in the class. आता मी कुठपर्यंत येणार आहे, ब्रॉट हा त्यातला व्हर्ब आहे, तिथपर्यंत मी येणार आहे. द टीचर ब्रॉट, शिक्षकाने आणली. व्हॉट, काय आणली. वी गेट द आन्सर मेनी बुक्स. सो मेनी बुक्स, दिस इज द डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट हियर. लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. द टीचर हॅड पनिश्ड माय फ्रेंड सिव्हिअरली. मी आता पनिश्ड पर्यंत येईल. द टीचर हॅड पनिश्ड, शिक्षकाने शिक्षा केलेली होती. व्हॉट, काय केलेली होती. आय डू नॉट गेट द आन्सर, मला उत्तर मिळत नाही. सो व्हॉट हॅपन्स हियर, आय आस्क द क्वेश्चन बाय हुम. आता मी हुमने प्रश्न विचारते. द टीचर हॅड पनिश्ड, व्हर्ब पर्यंत आले, शिक्षकाने शिक्षा केलेली होती. कुणाला, आय गेट द आन्सर माय फ्रेंड. So my friend, that is indirect object. The teacher asked students many questions in the class. In this sentence you will find out two objects, direct object as well as indirect object. Let us see. The teacher asked, शिक्षकाने विचारलं. What, काय विचारलं. I got the answer many questions. आणि व्हॉटला उत्तर मिळालं मेनी क्वेश्चन्स, म्हणून मेनी क्वेश्चन, दॅट इज अ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. नाव द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द टीचर आस्क्ड, शिक्षकाने विचारलं. हुम, कुणाला कुणाला विचारलं आय गॉट द आन्सर मेनी स्टुडंट्स and so here students that is indirect object. So this is the example with two objects. So in this way we should identify the object. Now let us move to the next point, how to identify tense. Already we have discussed tenses in detail in the last videos and you can identify the tenses. Just I am going to take the examples here. The teacher had answered the students' questions, had answered, that is the verb, focus on the verb, that is past perfect tense. The worst man often gives the best advice. What is the verb? Gives, that is simple present tense. We were playing cricket on the ground, were playing. It is a past progressive tense. He purchased a new car in the last month. Purchased, that is the verb which suggests us past tense. Next one, we can create the future. That is present tense but modal auxiliary is used here. We should write our own destiny. Should, that is modal auxiliary. They are pulling down the old theater. Are pulling, it indicates that it is present progressive tense. People have maintained social distancing so far. Have maintained, it suggests that is present perfect tense. Now next one, let us see how the subject gets a change in passive voice when it is taken at the end of the sentence and especially when it is a pronoun. Subject functions as a doer. Doer म्हणजे कृती करणारा in passive voice after by. If the subject is noun, it doesn't change. Subject जर noun असेल, my father, Vishakha, Ramesh, the students, it doesn't change. If the subject is a pronoun, it gets changed as given below. Pronoun कोणते असतात? You know, I, you, he, she, it, they and we. Now let us see how they change. When in active voice the subject is pronoun as given below, how it changes in passive voice as a doer, let us see. Active voice begins with I, then passive voice ends with by me. Active voice begins with we, passive voice ends with by us. Active voice begins with he, then passive voice ends with by him. When active voice begins with she, passive voice ends with by her. Active voice begins with they, then we get passive voice ends with by them. We must know this thing also. Now let us see changing active voice into passive voice, and the focus of this video is on change the voice. Now the structure of active voice is a subject plus verb plus object. Now the structure of passive voice is object in active voice plus helping verb plus past participle plus by, and now I use the term doer. Doer म्हणजे active voice मधला करता, जो कृती करतो तो. Now let us see subject, verb and object. This is the structure of active voice, how it converts. Let us see here. This object of active voice becomes the subject of passive voice. That means passive voice ची सुरुवात ही active voice मधल्या object ने होते. And passive voice ends with the subject in active voice. आणि active voice मधला जो subject होतो तो कुठे येतो? passive voice च्या शेवटी, आणि त्याच्या आधी आपण by वापरतो. Now let us see here. My father speaks English fluently. This is active voice. My father is subject. Speaks is verb. English, that is object. आता passive voice काय झालंय? English is spoken fluently by my father. English हा object passive voice चा subject झाला. And now by my father हा subject शेवटी आला. Let us see the examples. She planted a mango tree. A mango tree. धिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ऍक्टिव्ह. शी प्लांटेड. तिने काय प्लांट केलं? ए मँगो ट्री. आता पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस मध्ये काय होतंय? ए मँगो ट्री वॉज प्लांटेड बाय हर अँड सी हिअर. त्याचा ऑब्जेक्ट पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस मध्ये सब्जेक्ट झाला. द बॉईज वेअर लर्निंग इंग्लिश. द बॉईज वेअर लर्निंग. मुलं शिकत होती काय? इंग्लिश. दॅट इज ऑब्जेक्ट. आता पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस मध्ये काय होतोय? इंग्लिश वॉज बीइंग लर्न बाय द बॉईज. आता बघा, हा इंग्लिश जो आहे तो इथं सुरुवातीला घेतलेला आहे. यू हॅव सीन द मूव्ही. तू काय पाहिलेलं आहे? द मूव्ही. So passive voice will begin with the movie has been seen by you, and so here the object of active voice becomes the subject of the object of active voice becomes the subject of passive voice. Now let us see the verb structure in passive voice. Passive voice always takes a helping verb. Passive voice मध्ये helping verb असतोच. Passive voice takes a past participle. Passive voice is impossible without past participle. क्रियापदाचं तिसरं रूप passive voice मध्ये असतं आणि असतं. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल शिवाय passive voice होऊच शकत नाही. नेक्स्ट वन, ओनली हेल्पिंग वर्ब चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेन्स फॉर्म. कोणता कॉलम बदलतो? हेल्पिंग वर्ब हा टेन्स नुसार बदलतो. नाहीतर आपल्याला पास्ट पार्टिसिपल हा घ्यायचा आहे म्हणजे घ्यायचाच आहे. सुरुवातीला ऑब्जेक्ट आलं पाहिजे म्हणजे आलंच पाहिजे. ऑब्जेक्ट नंतर आपण हेल्पिंग वर्ब घेणार आहोत. त्याच्यानंतर पास्ट पार्टिसिपल घेणार आहोत, बाय आणि सब्जेक्ट घेणार आहोत पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइसच्या शेवटी. लेट अस सी द एक्झाम्पल्स. द डोर इज ओपन बाय हिम. ओपन हा पास्ट पार्टिसिपल आहे. इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब बदलला. यू आर नॉट ट्रेन बाय युअर फॅमिली. All these are the examples of passive voice. Are हा helping verb आलाय, हा बदलतोय. But train हा past participle जसाच्या तसा राहिलेला आहे. The new shopping center was built last year. Built that is past participle. Past tense आला, was वापरला आपण. The film was not produced in Hollywood. Produced this is past participle. Was that is past tense. Now let us see. A poem had been written by Manisha. Perfect tense आला, had आला, म्हणजे हेल्पिंग वर्ब बदलतायत. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल वापरावंच लागतंय. The lesson is being read by Rakesh. Is helping verb got changed, but read that is past participle. Books will be submitted by the teachers. Will आला, tense बदलला, submitted हा past participle राहिलाच आहे. The link can be sent by the admin. कॅन इथे हेल्पिंग वर्ब आला, पण सेंट हा पास्ट पार्टिसिपल राहिला. कीप इन माइंड, हेल्पिंग वर्ब चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेन्स, बट पास्ट पार्टिसिपल डझंट चेंज. वी हॅव टू मेक द यूज ऑफ पास्ट पार्टिसिपल इन पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस. नाऊ लेट अस मूव्ह टू द नेक्स्ट. कन्व्हर्टिंग ऍक्टिव्ह व्हॉइस इनटू पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस इन अ टेबल फॉर्म. पर्पजफुली I here take the table form to teach how to convert active voice into passive voice so that the students get the clear picture and all the concepts get clear. Now let us come to the next one. This is the table. The first column, it indicates active voice. The remaining columns are related to passive voice. We have seen. The structure of active voice is subject plus verb plus object. And passive voice begins with object. Object is followed by helping verb. Helping verb is followed by past participle, then subject. Your focus should be on the verb only. पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस मध्ये आपल्याला सुरुवात ऑब्जेक्टनेच करावी लागणार आहे. हेल्पिंग वर्ब वापरावं लागणार आहे. त्याच्यानंतर पास्ट पार्टिसिपल येणार आहे, मग बाय आणि मग सब्जेक्ट. तुमचं इथं फोकस फक्त कशावर पाहिजे? वर्बवर. वर्ब नुसार हेल्पिंग वर्ब बदलतो, बाकी कॉलम जसेच्या तसे राहतात. let us take down the first one. I write a letter. Here a letter, that is object. राईट इंडिकेट्स प्रेझेंट टेन्स. राईट वरनं कळतोय प्रेझेंट टेन्स. नाव लेट अस कन्व्हर्ट इट इनटू पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस. अ लेटर, सुरुवातीला काय घेतलं आपण? अ लेटर. नाव हेल्पिंग वर्ब आयदर इज और आर. अ लेटर, दिस ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिंग्युलर. हा सिंग्युलर आहे म्हणून आपण इज घेणार आहे. पण अ लेटरच्या ऐवजी लेटर्स असता तर आपण काय घेतलं असतं? आर. ऑब्जेक्ट डिटरमाइन्स वेदर यू शुड टेक इज और आर. इथं आपण इज घेणार आहे. देन व्हॉट विल बी देअर? रिटर्न. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल आला बाय, व्हॉट इज गिवन, अँड नाऊ मी. Did you get the point? Now let us move to the next one. I wrote a letter. Wrote gives us idea that is past tense. Wrote वरनं आपल्याला कळतंय तो past tense आहे. As usual, what will happen? Passive voice will begin with a letter. आता past tense आहे म्हणून helping verb पण काय घ्यावे लागतील आपल्याला? Past tense मधले either was or were. A letter singular आहे, so we are going to take was. Letters असता तर आपण काय घेतलं असता? were. इथं was घेणार आहे. Now let us come to the past participle return. What is given? by, and now and me. कॉलम कोणता बदलला? फक्त helping verbचा. Now I move to the next one. I am writing a letter. am याच्यावरनं am is are वरनं आपल्याला कळतं that is present tense. ing is there, that is continuous tense. ing वरनं काय कळतो आपल्याला? that is continuous or progressive tense. हा present tense आहे म्हणून as usual I will begin with a letter. present tense आहे म्हणून मी आता इथं काय वापरणार आहे? is are. is किंवा are. a letter असल्यामुळे is वापरणार आहे. are मी घेणार नाही. a letter is. क्रियापदाला ing आहे म्हणून मी being वापरला. का वापरला मी being? क्रियापदाला ing आहे म्हणून. as usual now return, and now what is the end? by me. So my statement will be, passive statement will be, a letter is written by me. Come to the next. I was writing a letter. Was past tense with ing. was आलाय त्याच्यासोबत ing आलाय म्हणून आता as usual a letter. passive voice करताना was or were. इथं मी was वापरणार. a letter is singular म्हणून was वापरणार. letters असता तर were वापरलं असतं. क्रियापदाला ing लागलाय. रायटिंग रायटिंग रायटिंग. इथं तर आपण पास्ट पार्टिसिपल वापरणार आहोत म्हणून ing ची ऍडजस्टमेंट करण्यासाठी आपण काय करतो? being वापरतो. being का वापरला? क्रियापदाला ing आहे म्हणून वापरला. सो व्हॉट इज गिवन हिअर? लेट अस सी. रिटर्न, अँड व्हॉट इज बाय, एंड विल बी विथ मी. नाउ come to the next statement. I have written a letter. Have gives me idea that it is present perfect tense. have असो, had असो किंवा has असो. हे तीन असले तर आपल्याला बीन वापरावं लागतं. क्रियापदाला ing असेल तर आपण being वापरतो. have is present tense, so a letter. आता बघा हेल्पिंग वर्ब मध्ये काय होणार आहे? have or has. a letter has. a letter is singular म्हणून मी has वापरते. प्लुरल असेल तर have घेतला असता. a letter has and been. का बीन वापरला? have, has, had असतील तर बीन वापरायचा. रिटर्न, व्हॉट इज गिवन? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ॲज युजल. सगळीकडे बघा पास्ट पार्टिसिपल आलाय. अँड व्हॉट इज गिवन टू यू? बाय अँड मी. सो डिड यू गेट द पॉइंट हिअर? कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. आय हॅड रिटन ए लेटर. हॅड इज पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स. सो आय एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ a letter. What is passive voice? a letter. Had, singular, plural ha problem we do not face here. So had. Have, has, had is there. So we are going to make the use of been. Have, has, had असेल तर been. क्रियापदाला ing असेल तर being, and so what is given? Written by and me. So my statement will be a letter had been written by me. Now come to the next one. Now sentences with modal auxiliaries. मी असं फ्युचर टेन्स म्हणून सेपरेट नाही घेणार आहे. सेंटेन्सेस विथ modal auxiliaries. Will, shall, would, should, can, could, may, might, must. We have learned all these are modal auxiliaries. Whenever in active voice modal auxiliary is used, while converting such a type of sentences, we have to add be. modal auxiliary असेल तर हेल्पिंग व्हर्ब मध्ये त्या modal auxiliary सोबत आपल्याला be वापरावा लागतो. I shall write a letter or I will write a letter. So what will be the passive voice? A letter will be written by me. Come to the next. I should write a letter. Should is also a modal auxiliary. I will keep it as it is. A letter should be. Should नंतर मी काय लिहिलं? Be written by me. Next, I would write a letter. That is also modal auxiliary. A letter would be. What is given here? Would be written by me. Next, I can write a letter. Can is modal auxiliary. So a letter can be written by me. modal auxiliary लिहून त्याच्यानंतर be लावायचा असतो. I could write a letter. That is could. Now what will be there? A letter could be written by me. Next, I may write a letter. Maybe. A letter may be written by me. Now come to the next one. I might write a letter. Might is also a modal auxiliary, so might be. A letter might be written by me. I must write a letter. Must is also a modal auxiliary. A letter must be written by me. Thus, we have completed how to convert active voice into passive voice. So, now let us discuss some hints. The very first one. Use helping verb considering whether object is plural or singular. हेल्पिंग व्हर्ब वापरताना एक काळजी घ्यायची आहे की दिलेला जो ऑब्जेक्ट आपण घेतो तो एकवचनीय का अनेकवचनीय हा विचार तुम्ही करणं गरजेचं आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय ईट ए मँगो. अ मँगो इज इटन बाय मी. अ मँगो सिंग्युलर आहे म्हणून इज वापरला. आय ईट मँगोज. आता बघा, मँगोज आर इटन बाय मी. मँगोज प्लुरल आहे म्हणून मी काय वापरला? आर. सो कीप इन माइंड when we have to consider whether object is singular or plural while making the use of helping verb in passive voice. Next one, use helping verb considering present or past form. Present tense आहे का past tense आहे हा विचार करून तुम्हाला helping verb वापरायचा आहे. I eat a mango. It is present tense. So what we have used? A mango is eaten by me. Now in this sentence, I ate mangoes. Ate is past tense. So mangoes were, what I have used? Were past tense, eaten by me. Now the last one and very important one, what is given here? Verb with ing असेल, we should make the use of being. Next one, have, has, had, that means perfect tense असेल, we have to make the use of been in passive voice. Next, modal auxiliaries असतील तर आपल्याला modal auxiliaries सोबत be हा passive voice मध्ये वापरावा लागतो. And last, past participle is compulsory in passive voice. Now let us discuss some examples. Active voice. He brings a book in the class every day. थोडंसं उलट सुलट होऊन गेलं माझ्याकडनं. He brings a book in the class every day. Okay, what is passive voice? A book. Brings present tense. A book singular. प्रेझेंट सिंग्युलर आहे म्हणून मी काय वापरला इज. अँड ब्रॉट दॅट इज अ पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. ए बुक इज ब्रॉट इन द क्लास एव्हरी डे बाय हिम. Active voice, I do not expect it from you. What is the passive voice? It is not expected from you by me. Do not expect, present tense. So I have made the use of is, not, and past participle expected. Active voice, he is drawing pictures now. What is the passive voice? Pictures. What is object? Object ने सुरुवात करायची आहे pictures. That is plural and is indicates present tense. So I have made the use of pictures are. Drawing ing आलाय म्हणून मी being वापरणार. And what is the past participle? Drawn now by him. Pictures are being drawn now by him. Next sentence, the children were attending the meeting in the morning. What is passive voice? We begin with object, the meeting. Where indicates past tense. The meeting, that is singular. So I have made the use of was. Attending, ing is there. So I have made the use of being. And attended, that is the past participle. That means the meeting was being attended in the morning by the children. Now come to the next one, active voice. The minister has issued orders for his transfer. Passive voice begins with object. Object कोणता इथं? Orders. That is a plural. म्हणून मी आता has नाही वापरणार, have वापरेल. Orders have आणि have has had असेल तर we make the use of been. Orders have been issued. Already past participle is there for his transfer by the minister. Orders have been issued for his transfer by the minister. Next. Active voice, she had taken me to a doctor. Passive voice, me, that is whom, कुणाला घेऊन गेली ती? मला. I had, have has had असतील तर been. I had been taken to doctor by her. Active voice, they will not open the shop on Monday. काय उघडणार नाही? The shop. So passive voice will be the shop. मोडल ऑक्झिलरी विल म्हणून मी विल नॉट जसंचे तसं ठेवेल आणि मोडल ऑक्झिलरी नंतर आपल्याला बी वापरावा लागतो. द शॉप विल नॉट बी पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ओपनड ऑन मंडे बाय देम. नेक्स्ट ऍक्टिव्ह व्हॉइस, नोबडी कॅन चेंज डेस्टिनी. कॅन इज मोडल ऑक्झिलरी. आता कॅन मोडल ऑक्झिलरी आहे मला माहित आहे, मला आता बी वापरावा लागेल. सो व्हॉट इज पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस? डेस्टिनी कॅन बी चेंज बाय नोबडी. Changed, past participle. Active voice, he would grow trees to keep surrounding beautiful. काय वाढवायचा तो? Trees. So passive voice will begin with trees. Would be grown to keep surrounding beautiful by him. I ended the sentence with by him. Now active voice, we must keep our surrounding clean. Passive voice begins with our surrounding must. हे सगळे मोडल ऑक्झिलरी असल्यामुळे आपण ते जसेचे तसे घेतले. त्याच्यानंतर बी घेतला. आवर सराउंडिंग मस्ट बी केप्ट पास्ट पार्टिसिपल क्लीन बाय अस. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी हॅव कंप्लीटेड हाऊ टू कन्व्हर्ट ऍक्टिव्ह व्हॉइस इनटू पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस. Thank you very much for watching my video till the end. If you like my video, please like it, subscribe it and share it with your friends. In the next video, we will discuss more details about the voice. Till then, goodbye to everybody. Have a good day. Thank you.